Hello everyone, my name is Mario. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to use the snippet tool using a Mac. I've been looking for this tool for the longest time, but I haven't been able to find it on a Macintosh. I finally figured it out, so let's go ahead and use the tool, okay? So the snippet tool is basically allows you to crop images or allows you to crop parts of the homework or parts of an area. So for full screen, we actually use Command-Shift-3. So I'm gonna do Command-Shift-3. And notice that it just took a screenshot, right? And it's right there. Here is the image that I just took a screenshot of. So I'm going to open it. There it is. Well, that's pretty cool. Now we're going to do the next one, which is rectangular form. Okay, in the rectangular form is like the free form. I'll show you how that one works. Okay, so let me show you. So that's going to be Command-Shift-4. Let me get my keyboard. So do Command-Shift-4. Now this is really cool because now you can only, you see how that activates right there? You can do a portion, you can do rectangular or free form. So like, let's pretend I just want to take a screenshot of this here. And you let go and notice how it appeared right here. So I'm just gonna grab it and just gonna drop it right here. And now this is my screenshot that I just took right now. I'm gonna move this one a little bit. So that's my screenshot. Notice that it only appeared on this side here, only the portion that I wanted to take the screenshot of. So that's pretty cool. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and consider subscribing to my channel. This is Mario, and I will see you on the next video.